Hi everyone, welcome back. In the first tutorial we have learned how to install FFmpeg and we made a short introduction, and in this video we are gonna learn how to remove audio from a video and how to extract audio from a video. In here I have already a sample of video, and this video has audio at the same time. We can see from here this is a 11-second video, and these are the properties, video and audio types. And let's open a terminal first of all. In here most of the cases we are gonna start the command with FFmpeg, just keep in mind. After that we can specify our input. How we are gonna specify? With -I. Don't forget this one also. We are gonna start our command mostly in this kind. After that, which one is our input? This video.mp4 is our input file is gonna be. And first of all, let's extract the audio from this video. How we are gonna do that? It's very easy. Just specify a name first of all, which output file name you are gonna get. Let's call it video no audio, we can say. After that, just specify your type of audio. For example, the most famous one, MP3. And after that, it's gonna give you the output audio in this kind. And let's open the properties of video also. If you compare this audio and this properties, is gonna be totally match, except codec, because we have already changed, we have already specified as MP3, not AAC. And after that you can also check it's 11 seconds both of them, and we get our audio, we extracted it from this video file. And also at the same time you can get this with different codecs. For example, what is the other ones? Let's call WAV, and also it's gonna give you the same output. In this case 11 seconds, and the sample rate and the others are same also. Okay, this is extracting audio from a specified video. What else we are gonna do today? We are gonna remove audio from a video. This has already an audio. Let's remove this part from this video. How we are gonna do that? And let's start FFmpeg-I. Our input is same again, video.mp4. What else? And now the other configuration type we need to keep in mind, AN. This is disabling audio configuration type. Just keep this in mind also. The same is VN and others we are gonna see in the other videos. For this video we are gonna learn this AN. This disables the audio inside the video. After that, again we are gonna give our output, video no, how to call it, only video. Let's go only video dot mp4, and I think it's done. Let's run it. It's started, and soon it's gonna be finished. Yeah, in here now we can compare the properties. Okay, in here we see both 11 seconds, but in here you see there is no audio, so we can understand we have already removed the audio inside this video, and we get our raw, just the images inside this video. We can check also, this is totally same, but there is no audio. Yeah. And today we have learned which things we have learned. We learned about I. This specify the input file, and after that we learned AN, which is disables audio. And what else we have learned? These are the only things I think we have learned. These configuration types we shouldn't forget, just to be remember. I am putting here also. And in this video we have learned to remove and extract audio from a video, and see you in the next videos.